Hello, I'm Design Guy. Curious how to build a cart and checkout system for your Canva site? Let's dive in. Click the Create button to start. Next, navigate to the Website section. Click on Website. In the text field that appears, type Checkout to proceed to the next step in the setup process. Since there isn't a template available, we'll need to build our design from individual elements. Start by selecting your desired components from the Elements panel, then arrange them on your canvas to create your custom layout from scratch. For example, select this item by clicking on it to include it in your current selection or process. Drag and drop this item here to begin. Next, we need to add the specific component required for your workflow. After adding it, proceed to obtain a card by selecting the appropriate option. Each step ensures your setup is correctly configured before moving forward. To work with the shopping feature, first locate the section labeled Shopping. Click on it to access the available options. Look for the field that requires text input. Enter the appropriate text into the field. Double-check your entry to ensure accuracy before proceeding. This step ensures your shopping information is updated correctly in the system. Click the button labeled Check Now to proceed. Next, we need to change the background color. Locate the Background Settings option, select your preferred color, and apply the changes. The background will now update to match the example shown, creating a consistent visual appearance. Our prototype is already set up and ready to use. We'll start from this point to demonstrate the next steps in the process. Select the text you want to hyperlink. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and K together. This will open the hyperlink dialog box. Enter your checkout link in the provided field, then click OK or press Enter to finish adding your hyperlink to the selected text. Enter your checkout page URL, such as checkout.com. This sets your checkout page. Once you've entered the address, click the Done button to save changes. Click the Share button at the top right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file format, either PDF standard or PNG depending on your needs. Once you've selected the format, click the Download button to save the file to your device. You can now use this downloaded file to add the content directly to your online shop. Repeat the process as needed for additional downloads. Thanks. You've just learned to build a simple checkout and cart for your Canva site. Hit like and subscribe for more helpful design tips.